Are you having trouble with an invalid T-Mobile eSIM QR code? You're not alone. With eSIM adoption rapidly increasing, understanding how this technology works is crucial for troubleshooting issues. The QR code is the key to eSIM activation. It contains encrypted data that links your device directly to T-Mobile's network. Think of it as a digital key that unlocks your cellular service. Several factors can cause QR code validation failures. The most common issues include expired activation codes, which are typically valid for only 30 days, already used QR codes that haven't been properly deactivated, and network synchronization delays between T-Mobile systems. To troubleshoot invalid QR codes, start with these essential steps. First, ensure the QR code is clear and undamaged. Scratches or poor lighting can prevent proper scanning. Check that your device supports eSIM technology and maintain a stable Wi-Fi connection during setup. As of 2025, T-Mobile reports that over 60% of new device activations now use eSIM technology rather than physical SIM cards. This rapid adoption has led to increased reports of QR code issues, but T-Mobile has implemented several improvements to enhance the activation process. When troubleshooting doesn't resolve your eSIM issues, generating a new QR code is the next step. T-Mobile provides several methods to obtain a fresh activation code. The most convenient method is using the T-Mobile app. First, open the app and sign into your account. Follow these steps. Navigate to Account, then Manage Lines. Select your affected line, choose Replace SIM, then eSIM, and finally select Get QR Code. You'll need to verify your identity through SMS verification, security questions, or your account PIN. This security step ensures only authorized users can generate new eSIM codes. Once verified, a new QR code will be generated. You can download it as a PDF, display it on your screen, email it to yourself, or print it directly for easy scanning. If you prefer other options, T-Mobile offers several alternative methods to generate your new eSIM QR code. You can call customer service at 611 or 1-800-T-Mobile for phone support. Visit any T-Mobile store for in-person assistance. Access your account through the online portal at my.tmobile.com or manually enter the activation code instead of scanning the QR code. T-Mobile has been actively improving its eSIM infrastructure. These enhancements include a better QR code generation system, improved customer service training, more reliable servers, faster processing, and significantly reduced error rates. These improvements mean eSIM issues are becoming less frequent. With these improvements, T-Mobile now achieves a 92% success rate for eSIM activations on the first attempt, making the process more reliable than ever.